Hi guys, I'm Eileen. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to share with you the 10 items that every busy woman needs in their life. This video was inspired by Isabel from Isabel Ann. She did an amazing video about this, so she certainly deserves a lot of credit. Now, I know a lot of women are very busy people, and sometimes it can be very hard to juggle between everything and still keep yourself looking nice. Personally, I have a full-time job and I have a little boy who is very active, so sometimes it can feel very hectic. But I truly believe in looking after myself despite my very busy schedule. So these are the 10 items that I swear by. If you are interested, please keep watching. So the first item that makes my life a lot easier is certainly my GHD hair straightener. Now the one I have is not really from the top range collection, it's quite a basic one, but it works very well. I usually like to wear my hair straight because I'm not very good at curling my hair, and this works fantastic. So first of all, it heats up very fast. I've actually timed it before and it takes like 17 seconds before it's ready for you to straighten your hair. And I find that if you go over a thin section of your hair like 2 to 3 times, your hair will look quite straight and glossy. This straightener is a bit on the pricey side, but to me it's a fantastic investment because it works so much faster and better. It saves me so much time in the morning when I'm getting ready for the day. So if you're always in a rush to get out the house and you want to have sleek looking hair, you need one of these. The next one is also a gadget, and this is a water flosser by Waterpik. Now, I'm very into dental care and I believe that prevention is cure when it comes to dental health. And I got into flossing when I had my braces on quite a number of years ago, so I've been doing it twice a day religiously. In the past, I used to use the normal floss, but last year I started using this water flosser and I've never looked back since. So this basically is a little machine that helps you clean your gums. So this comes with a little container that you can fill water in with, and you can even mix a mouthwash in it if you want to. So when you turn it on, this will create a fairly powerful water spray that can clean your gums really well. So basically what you want to do is, you want to follow the gum line and in between every 2 teeth, pause for a few seconds and let the water do the cleaning for you. I very much prefer using this to the normal floss because my mouth feels so much cleaner. Now there are quite a few settings here, but I would suggest to start low because it can feel a bit strange in your mouth at first, and when you start getting used to it, you can move up the setting. So I use this twice a day and I do it every time before I do my brushing. Again, I think dental care is so important and it's something that you should not overlook even if you're super busy, and I really recommend this. So the one I have is more for home use, but they also do a portable version which is great for travel. The next one is also a gadget. So this is a facial massager by Rayfar. It's basically a roller. So the balls are able to rotate 360 degrees and they have a platinum coating on them, so they feel very cooling on the skin. And apparently there's a solar panel here. So when you're not using it, you're supposed to leave it in the light and it will recharge the roller. And the solar energy can turn into like a microcurrent that can help with the circulation of your skin. Now I'm not sure if there's any science behind that, but I quite like the fact that it doesn't come with any cable and that I don't have to recharge it, and it's completely water resistant. There are quite a few sizes, but I went for the smaller size because it can easily fit into every corner of my face, including my eye area. Now I would say this roller is fabulous if you want to get rid of puffiness very quickly in the morning, because sometimes if I don't get enough sleep, my face can be a bit puffy, so I'll just use this and do a bit of massaging for about 1 to 2 minutes and it really helps to tone my face. But I mainly use this in the evening after my skincare routine to help with circulation and absorption of my skincare products. So I don't think you need to spend a long time doing this. So just spare yourself 2 minutes every night, because I think skincare is about consistency, not intensity. Now I know this is not the cheapest product, but I think it's a good investment for your skin. Now really, I don't quite mind aging because I know it's inevitable, but I would like to do everything in my power to age gracefully. So these perfume atomizers are very popular now because of the airline travel restrictions, but I also like to carry one of these when I go out. Now I know a lot of luxury brands like Hermes and Chanel do very fancy travel size perfumes, but I just think these are so much cheaper and compact. It's very easy to load the perfume into this, and I'll probably have to do it every 2 weeks. These are my absolute necessities that keep me smelling nice. I cannot skip this next one because we all need good sun protection, even on a cloudy day or in the winter when the day is short. So I religiously put on my sunscreen every morning, but I also carry this with me when I go out for reapplications. This is by Color Science and is basically a mineral powder product. I think the design is very thoughtful because this part of the tube is clear, so you can see how much product you've got left, and you can apply the powder using the brush, and the brush is very soft. So this has SPF 50 and is completely water resistant. So you can actually apply this and go swimming and your skin should be fully protected. However, you are supposed to reapply every 2 hours or so, especially if you are out on a sunny day. This is such a genius design because you can easily reapply your sun protection without disturbing your makeup. I also think it does a very good job at mattifying my makeup in the middle of a busy day. So I carry this everywhere I go, especially when I travel. I think a good way to pamper yourself in the middle of a busy day is by using a good face spray. I like to carry this as the loudest spray in my bag when I go to work, and I'll spray this on my face during lunch hour because usually after the busy morning session my skin will feel tight and dehydrated. So this really helps to rehydrate and freshen up my skin. And I really like this one because the spray is really fine, so it doesn't disturb your makeup. And because it's an essence, it's almost like I'm reapplying my skincare in the middle of a busy day, and I really enjoy it. The next item that I think every busy woman needs in their life is a good overnight mask. Now, putting on a sheet mask 20 minutes every evening is certainly a luxury in my busy schedule because I just really struggle to find the time for it. So for me, a good replacement is the overnight mask. There are now so many options on the market that you can choose from, so you can easily pick one that will suit your skin type. But the one I have is from COSRX. I started looking into this brand last year because they do a lot of excellent products and their prices are quite affordable. So this one has a very light gel consistency, and if you apply a thick layer, your skin will feel very moisturized and brighter in the morning. It's almost like you've used a good sheet mask the night before. And honey has very good anti-inflammatory properties, so it's good for redness and irritation. So sometimes if I'm out in the sun for many hours, I will use this and I find that it really calms my skin down. So usually I will use this a few times a week, and I will apply it after my whole evening skincare routine, and I think it's the quickest and the perfect way to enjoy the benefits of using a mask. I think we should all have a hand cream in our bag. Now if you think about it, the number of times we use, wash and dry our hands, it's only fair that they receive some love and care from us. Personally, I love the hand cream from L'Occitane. You can get them in a full size, but they also do a lot of these travel sizes. So the one I have is the rose hand cream. It smells amazing. Now I think a lot of people love the hand cream because they are very light, moisturizing, but not greasy. I also think the hand cream absorbs very fast and it doesn't leave any residue. So I usually make sure I apply my hand cream every time I wash my hands, and I also apply a thicker layer when I go to bed. So the next one is a good lip balm, because having dry lips is just not a good look. So I've tried many different lip balms and this is the best one. So this is by Lano Lips and it's 100% natural. So it doesn't have any artificial colouring or fragrance, mineral oil or even petroleum jelly. So it's perfectly safe even for babies. Now when I first got this, I actually thought the tube was blocked because the consistency was so thick, but you're only supposed to use a tiny little bit, and then you're supposed to warm it up with your fingers and it should glide on your lips very smoothly. I also recommend putting on a thicker layer when you go to bed, because in the morning your lips will feel so plump and moisturized throughout the day. The last one is a cosmetic pouch or a catch-all to carry all the items you will need for your busy schedule. So I use my Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. So this carries a lot of the items that I've just mentioned. So I've got my lip balm, my hand cream, sunscreen and my atomizer. So this helps to keep everything organized. I really like the Mini Pochette because it's small and compact and it has a very flat profile, so it can fit into many of my bags. Also, this material is very durable, so I don't have to baby it. And of course, it looks really cute, so every time I look at it, it just makes me really happy. So those are the 10 items that I think every busy woman needs in their life. Now I know sometimes life can get so busy and it can feel very overwhelming, but always remember to take good care of yourself. I hope you liked the video. Do consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day.